Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're making that dream a reality by exploring the timeless appeal of rustic cabin house designs. This isn't just a style, it's a lifestyle that celebrates natural materials, rugged charm, and a deep connection to the outdoors. We're going to dive into what makes these homes so special and then count down 10 stunning designs that will make you want to pack your bags and move to the mountains. Rustic cabin house design is an architectural style that emphasizes natural, unrefined, and organic elements to create a feeling of warmth and connection to the wilderness. The core of this design is the use of natural materials in their raw or close to raw state, such as rough-hewn logs, natural stone, and unpolished wood. Unlike modern or minimalist designs, rustic cabins celebrate imperfections and texture. They often feature simple, sturdy forms, a large fireplace or stone chimney, and a focus on creating a cozy, lived-in atmosphere. The goal is to blend the home with its natural surroundings, making it feel like it has been a part of the landscape for generations. The benefits of a rustic cabin home are both aesthetic and practical. The most immediate benefit is the unique sense of comfort and tranquility they provide. The warm, natural materials and cozy atmosphere create a perfect escape from modern life. Secondly, rustic cabins are incredibly durable. Materials like logs and stone are built to withstand harsh weather and are long-lasting, requiring less maintenance over time. Third, they are often more energy efficient due to the excellent insulation provided by their thick log walls and stone. Finally, a rustic cabin offers a profound sense of place. It's a design style that is deeply tied to nature, encouraging a lifestyle of simplicity and a deeper appreciation for the outdoors. The key to decorating the exterior of a rustic cabin is to lean into its natural charm. The structure itself, whether it's a classic log cabin or a modern rustic design, should be the main focal point. To enhance it, use natural stone for the foundation or a prominent chimney to add a sense of ruggedness. A large, covered porch with rustic railings made from tree branches or simple wood is a hallmark of this style, providing a perfect spot to relax. Landscaping should be minimal and natural. Instead of manicured lawns, opt for native plants, wildflowers, and natural rock formations. A wooden deck and a gravel pathway can also create a welcoming and low-maintenance entrance that feels like a natural part of the landscape. Now, let's take a look at 10 incredible cabins that perfectly capture the rustic spirit. One, the Grand Log Cabin Retreat. This impressive home is a quintessential log cabin. The two-story structure is built from large, classic logs with a gabled roof covered in what looks like a dark metal material. A massive, central stone chimney adds a sense of solidity and warmth. A wide, covered porch with rustic log railings wraps around a portion of the front. The home is surrounded by snow and a dense forest, making it look like the perfect winter retreat. 2. The Modern Rustic Black Cabin. This stunning home is a perfect example of a modern rustic design. The exterior is a mix of a sleek, dark siding and warm, horizontal wood cladding. A large, prominent stone chimney is the focal point, adding a rugged element to the modern form. The home features a sloped roof and multiple large, dark-framed windows that offer a beautiful view of the snowy, forested landscape. 3. The Classic Lakeside Log Home. This beautiful, large log cabin feels both grand and inviting. The home is built from light-colored logs and features a traditional gabled roof and a wide, wraparound porch. The home is situated on a grassy, sloped hill, with a stunning view of a calm lake and a mountain range in the distance. The design feels timeless and perfectly at home in its natural setting. 4. The minimalist black A-frame. This is a perfect example of a modern, rustic A-frame. The exterior is a sleek, black siding, and the home has a dramatic, triangular form. The front is dominated by a large, triangular window that follows the roofline, offering a beautiful view. A small wooden deck with a few steps sits at the front, and the entire structure is nestled in a dense, snowy forest, creating a cozy and minimalist retreat. 5. The simple and cozy log cabin. This charming, single-story cabin is the epitome of rustic coziness. The structure is built from dark, rugged logs with a gabled roof. A small, covered porch with a simple railing is visible at the front. The home is on a well-kept lawn, and the design feels incredibly peaceful and inviting, like a perfect weekend getaway. 6. The wide porch log cabin. This beautiful log cabin has a classic, inviting design. The exterior is made from warm, natural-colored logs. A large, gabled roof extends out to cover a wide, front porch that is supported by thick log posts. A wooden deck with a rustic wooden railing and stairs leads down from the porch, and the entire home is surrounded by a snowy forest. 7. The lakeside log home with a view. This multi-level log cabin is designed to take in its stunning surroundings. The home has a gabled roof and a mix of light-colored logs and a darker siding. A large wooden deck with a simple railing extends from the front, offering a wide, beautiful view of the calm lake. A stone chimney is visible on the side, and the design is both classic and functional. 8. The modern black A-frame retreat. This is a sleek and modern take on the classic A-frame. The entire exterior is clad in a clean, black siding. The home features a prominent, triangular window on the front that offers a stunning view. A simple wooden deck with a few steps sits at the front, and the cabin is set against a backdrop of a dense, snowy forest, making it a striking contrast. 9. The grand log house on a hill. This stunning, multi-level log home is a truly grand design. The logs are a rich, dark brown color, and the home features a wide, wraparound porch with a wooden railing. The gabled roof has multiple dormers, and there are many windows visible, bringing in plenty of natural light. The home is situated on a green, grassy hill with a beautiful view of a valley and mountains in the distance. 10. The stone and log stream home. This large, multi-level cabin is a beautiful blend of log and stone materials. The exterior is built from classic, natural logs, and a large, prominent stone chimney is a central feature. The home has multiple gabled roofs, and a wide wooden deck with a simple railing is visible. The home is surrounded by a dense forest, with a gentle stream running in the foreground, creating a tranquil and picturesque setting. Rustic cabin designs are more than just homes. They are a lifestyle choice that reconnects us with nature and offers a true sense of peace and comfort. These designs prove that you can create a beautiful, durable, and cozy home that feels like a natural part of the landscape. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.